Hello, it's me, Jimmy T. Married with PMU now. Today, talk about Nano Machine Hair Stroke. Which one is better between Lola Air Pro or Mast P60? My channel is based on evidence, so the first step I need to find a practice skin is closer to a real human skin by practicing more tattoos. After test most brand, I find one. And choosing which pigment to test is also key. So to choose a better machine for Nano Machine Hair Stroke. Do you know what is the difference between these two machines? Now, Mast P60, the lowest stroke length we can go is 2.2, and then the voltage lowest we can do is 4. And the Lola Air Pro, the lowest stroke length we can go is 2.0, and the voltage, the lowest we can go is 3 volt. Is lower stroke length better? Is lower voltage is better? I haven't seen anyone test this, so I did it. The practice skin I'm using, the brand is Real Skin. It's called REELSKIN. If this video get more view and more like, I will make a part 2 video to show you more secret, a lot more secret, okay, including which pigment I'm using in this video. Now right now I'm comparing lining, shading and nano lining technique with different stroke length and voltage. Hopefully you can see the result. Now the depth, right now I get into the skin, my experience, okay, it's hard to say, like hard to prove myself. It's around 0.2 only, okay. So when I wipe it off, now right now it's Vaseline, okay. Right now it's Vaseline, wipe it out, okay, stay. Okay, 2.2, 2 volt. Now I'm going to using another technique. I really love to hand out slightly a little bit more. Right? So I do one more shading technique for you. Now my hand movement is kind of slow. Yeah, hand out a little bit more better. Now hand out can affect the ink flow as well. Sometimes you need to adjust a little bit. Now this is shading technique. Now this is the Nano Machine Hair Stroke lining technique. Okay, just one pass, okay? Just one pass. Alright, is the line solid? Not really. But is the shading is okay? Yeah, kinda okay. Now, this is test number 1. Of course, GBT 2.24 volts, right? Alright. So I'm using Lola. Now make sure everything okay. 2.2. 4. Agree? Now the needles hand out. Ooh. See, I didn't all the way set the needles in, so I need to do it again. So sometimes you get difficulty, you like twist. Yeah, I have difficulty to set the needles in. It's harder on the Lola, but you need to deal with it. Okay. So I do right here. Can you able to see it? So same thing, 2.2 and 4. Oh. Now see this line, because I run my hands quick, so you need to run your hands slower. Eh? So what is this? Shading, lining. So do a shading, making a line. Alright, so usually it's 90 degree, but I worry about you cannot see it, so I slightly little bit angle, okay? So Vaseline, white around. Now you can tell the color is lighter, right? Because of what? This motor is a little bit weak. So now this is what you want to know is the hair stroke. So now by itself, slightly little bit darker, okay? So of course I didn't really do the good job yet. Now let me show you. Now everything based on one pass, okay? So right now I go down to 3.0. So what is the difference? So right now is, oh sorry, it's 3. So same thing. So maybe so now when I do shading, okay, using 3 rows, see the line, nothing. Now let me do the hair stroke technique. So take a look, okay, compared to 4, so the line is better. I can control better, and then the ink set better. Take a look at between this one, okay? So that means I figured it out. 3 rows better than kind of 4 row, but Mast P60 4 row do okay job. Right? So which one do better? So that means Mast P60 still okay, but if you want like detail, I would say Nano Machine Hair Stroke. You using Lola Air Pro. Why not test using 2.0 stroke with 4 volts and 3 volts? The summary of this test is that a lower stroke like 2.2 stroke and lower voltage like 3 volts work better for nano lining technique, but the shading technique I prefer slightly higher voltage and slightly more powerful motor like Mast P60. Back to the question, most people ask, which machine is better? If you are only buying one machine, this is important. If this video get more views, like, and comment. I will make more video about Nano Machine Hair Stroke test videos. I also tested the Lola machine and discovered more useful tips. Hope this helped. See you soon.